everyone, it's June Penny and welcome back to my video. And before I get started, let me give you all a big old hug and tell each and every one of you how much I love and adore you, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today's video is going to be, yes, about regrowing your hair. And I know a lot of you have thin, balding hair and you just don't know why. And so I am starting this series of hair growth recipes for you. Now, I know many of you are going to say, but you put too many hair growth recipes out there. Are you doing them all? No, I'm putting these out there for you. I have done so much research and a lot of these recipes do help so many of you. So it's worth to give it a try. These are things that you can find in your kitchen, or you could just go to your local grocery store and pick up. Today's video, I am going to show you how to make a ginger juice and how this can help regrow your hair. But before I get started, let me just tell you that the topper I am wearing is a 6x6 low density topper from Uniwaste, and I will have a clickable link at the end of this video as well as down in the description box below. Okay, so let's get right into this recipe and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so you're going to use fresh washed ginger root, and then you're going to cut it up in little pieces, and then you're going to transfer it into a bowl and let it sit there for a few minutes before we transfer it to the food processor. Now we're going to grind it until it becomes a paste. You're going to do this for a few minutes, and then you're just going to put it in a little strainer like so. And then you're going to get the juice out. So there we go. Get that juice out. And here is what the ginger juice should look like. Okay, so now to the ginger juice, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Just like that. And I'm going to stir it around, mix it really, really well. And then I'm going to take a cotton ball or cotton round and I'm going to dip it in the ginger juice and I'm going to apply it to my head. Going to apply it to all the places where you have hair loss. Now, using fresh ginger root contains magnesium, potassium, and vitamins that help the hair follicles get stronger by nourishing it and preventing hair loss. And it's so good for dandruff as well. So you're just going to apply it. It helps with blood circulation and yeah. So that's what you're going to do. And just use all the oil, or you can refrigerate it if you don't use all the oil, and just put your hair up, or you can put in a cap for 30 minutes or overnight. It is totally up to you. And that's all you need to do. So you guys, how easy was that? You can find the ingredients at your local store and it just takes minutes to make, and it's worth giving it a try. So if you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, and please, I urge you to subscribe, because that's the only way that you're going to find these videos. They're gonna pop up in your notifications when I make a new video. And also share this with somebody. You never know who can really benefit from these types of videos. If you like this video, please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts or a recipe that you would like to see me do for fellow hair sisters and brothers out there. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.